Greetings from Modoc, South Carolina. It's 40 degrees outside and the temperatures are dropping. It's going to be chilly. The birds and the squirrels are moving around. Everybody's scurrying for their nuts and their berries. And here we are in our little home away from home. Little bird, come sit upon my windowsill. He sat there through falling rain. I watched that little bird upon my windowsill. The thoughts of you come rushing back again. I have a picture of my face on a window pane. Is it tears I see, or is it rain? I remember how we laughed before you said goodbye. Too young to know the world outside our door. How we laughed and said our love was like birds flying in the wind. This rainy day made me think of you once more. I have a picture of my face on the window pane. Is it tears I see, or is it rain? As my thoughts go tumbling back, I wonder how you look. I wonder if you've seen this little bird. Wonder if he sat upon your windowsill. Wonder if you'll ever hear these words. I have a picture of my face on a window pane. Is it tears I see, or is it rain? There's a picture of my face on a window pane. Is it tears I see, or is it rain?